One tip on driving a Bugatti.
Be very careful. You got a lot of blind spots. You don't want to hit anybody with a Bugatti. Other than that, it's like an airplane. Just sit back, relax, and let the driver do his thing. So we just picked up Tyga's Bugatti. We're currently en route back to RDB. Has a few little problems. We're gonna have to change the battery. The battery died out on him. We wrapped this car already a few times. We're gonna wrap it again. I think this one's gonna be the most drastic color change yet on this thing. So we're excited to get to work on it. Yeah, I mean, it's a Monday afternoon. We went basically RDB roadside assistance and got the Bugatti. So this one's gonna be a good one. There you go, yeah. That's for you.
Yeah. Awesome. Nice. Thank you. Have a good one, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
Alright, so we got this Bugatti in again. This time we've wrapped it in a very nice gloss orange. It's a bright orange. It looks really good on the Bugatti. We mixed it up with shiny black as well, so orange and shiny black. We had to dismount and mount the tires on the wheels to powder coat the wheels black, and a lot of people don't realize how difficult it is to dismount those tires. Most people can't do it, so we got that done. We put the car back together. The air intakes go back on. We took it all apart. We did the door jambs. As always, we do it right. You'll see the door jambs are nice and orange now. The door handles perfectly wrapped. The emblems go back on perfectly with new double side tape. Really cool car. The color came out nice. It really updated the look on this Bugatti. I hope you guys enjoy it. Hey, who's calling? RDB stickers? Yeah, we got them. Bam. So another Sunset GT car show. We just arrived. The orange Bugatti, we just finished it up. We wanted to show the fans our work, but everybody saw the orange Bugatti. Fans really loved it. We even had a child come and sit in the vehicle and have a lot of fun in it. So we're very happy to see that.
Careful, hey.
Yeah, just have him sit inside of it.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you
Yeah,
so much.
yeah.
Oh, look at this. Wow. You're inside of a Bugatti. Wow. Can you believe it?
good buddy Mo's Aventador's back. We custom made some Forgiato wheels for him. 2021 inch setup, just like factory. We reused his tires. Now these wheels make the car look way more aggressive. The offset is more aggressive. These are the same wheels that we put on the Ferrari 488 Liberty Walk. They're a 5-spoke star wheel. I think it looks great on this car. It's a little different, but again, now with the lowering and the correct offset on these wheels, the car looks amazing. Alone for a while until our buddy showed up with his Chiron.
Chris, it's European. It doesn't have the bumper. It doesn't have the bumper. Look.
Alright, we had a fun time out at Sunset GT. We're about to get out, head out and enjoy our Sunday, so everybody be safe. Got back from Sunset GT. It was a very successful event. A lot of cool cars. One of our buddies brought out a Chiron, so we got to show you guys the Veyron and the Chiron together. We just finished up the wrap on this bad boy. I mean, the orange really wakes up the car. I think it looks amazing now. So on to the next one. Subscribers, yeah, we're almost at 100,000. We thought we'd do like a little giveaway again when we reach 100,000 subscribers. We are going to pick one random person that is commenting on the video. So this video, comment below, only comment once, one time to enter. We're gonna pick a random person at 100,000 subscribers, and we're gonna ship you guys for free some goodies, a plate, air fresheners, stickers, a shirt. We're gonna send you a care package, so comment below.